Hello, welcome to Chasing Diecast Cars. In this episode we're going to take a look at some Matchbox real working rigs. Now these are not the most exciting castings, but I was able to buy them pretty cheap, so I could not pass them up. The first one here is probably my favorite. It's the Tucker Snowcat. So here's a picture of the moving feature the vehicle has. In the back there's all kinds of information, also the movements and another vehicle in the set. This has a 2010 copyright, 2011 release, force protection logo down there. So let's take a look. The glue has become old, so it opens pretty easy. Let's take a look at the base first. 2010 Tucker Terra Snowcat Series 2000 is the full name of the vehicle. So back then it was pretty new. RW021 is the casting number. So the blue part and the black here is metal, and then everything that is gray underneath it is plastic. So you got this kind of shovel thing, goes up and down. I don't think this rotates. No, it doesn't. This is fixed. So let's look at some details on the cabin. Trail groomer, it says. Special edition, 275 horses. I think it says. Nicely detailed. Nicely detailed cabin too. Very cool. Got some light detail here in the front, and on top they're just openings. That's cool, but of course the feature that makes it most interesting to me are the tracks that I think work. It's a little bit hard on, yeah, there we go. It's been in the packaging for a long time, so the real ones, oh yeah, now they're starting to move. Yeah, it seems like only the, maybe I have to press a little harder. Yeah, there you go. Now they are all working. So that's really cool. That's something that really sold this to me. You have to press it really hard. Maybe it's because the underground, the surface of my table here is not really suited for it, or the tracks have just been in the packaging for too long. Who knows? But I mean, this is really cool. This is a nice piece of engineering by Matchbox, if you ask me. That's really awesome. So that's why this is probably my favorite. Let's take a look at the other ones. The New Holland TV70. Here again, picture with the moving features. In the back you can see two other vehicles in that series, and then same copyright date, 2011 release. Again, the force protection logo, but also Oshkosh Defense and CNH, case New Holland. So this is kind of a tractor. It's got some moving parts here, the, how do you call this, the swivels kinda. Interesting thing to notice here is that, you know, usually you would expect this kind of tractor to be used to pull a plow like this and then drive this way, but actually this is designed to go the other way. That's why this part here is on this side, and if you look inside the cabin you can see the seat is facing this way and the steering wheel is on this side, so the vehicle is meant to be driving this way, and also the exhaust pipe gives it away, because usually exhaust pipe would be sticking that way, so the exhaust fumes go over the cabin to the back, but here they're going to the back side, and in this case the back side is over here, which makes it a little bit strange that it does have the tempoed headlights and indicators here, and there's also headlights here molded into the plastic. These are a little more important in this case for this vehicle, I suppose, because this is meant to be going that way, like that. So you can kind of turn the vehicle with this part. It's got a big turning radius, I must say. That does kind of work. Metal wise, the blue, this is metal, this is plastic. I guess the seat part is metal too. It feels kind of heavy, but it's hard to tell what is actually metal on this. Don't seem like there's a lot of metal on it, but it's got a nice weight, but you know, not as heavy as the other ones. So let's take a look at the base. New Holland Bi-Directional Tractor 2010. Okay, so that's a good name for it. That kind of sums it up, because you can still use it for going that side. Probably the seat and the steering wheel, oops, sorry, turn around, and then you can pull something from these hooks here and go that way. Cool. And then we got this tank, Striker M1 128 MGS. Here it shows again the moving features. This is in the 60th anniversary series. Here's the other vehicles in that set. So this has a 2012 copyright, 2013 release. Here you go. Let's first take a look at the base. It's got the same name as on the packaging. RW031 is the casting number. Casting number on this is 26. Yeah, 26. So the bottom part is plastic. This is all metal. This camouflage bit. And then this here, yeah, this is plastic, this is metal too, so a lot of metal on this one. So here we got a hatch that opens up, but there's no opening, so can't really look inside. 7C, some detail on the side here, nicely done. Some jerry cans, it seems. The headlights painted A07, C42, there's all kinds of codes on it. So this thing opens up too, like that. Here you can see a little bit inside. But not much. Then this thing comes up. This goes up and down too. I don't know if the machine gun does anything. Yep, it goes to the side also. So there's a lot of movement on this one. And then of course this, I don't know what you call this, a turret or something. This one turns also halfway and then it stops. So yeah, all in all, pretty cool piece with a lot of working features, a lot of opening parts. So here's all of them: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6 for the turret. So yeah, that's pretty impressive. A lot of moving parts. So let's close them all up. and see it actually dries. So yeah, it dries really well. No tracks, just wheels, but yeah, nice one. So that's all of them. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already. Hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.